For the majority of marketers, optimizing their website for SERPs remains a top priority, with new search engine algorithm upgrades and shifting consumer perceptions. It is critical for marketers to keep current on trends and continuously evolve their SEO strategies and practices to rank higher in the SERPs. Having said that, certain optimization strategies tend to inflict more harm than good, particularly over time. To that end, these are the 5 most frequent SEO mistakes and how to avoid them. 1. Giving social media priority over link building. Many publishers use social media to increase the number of clicks, likes, and shares on newly released content. When a post achieves the target number of shares, it's frequently tempting to stop the link building mission entirely and move on to the next piece of content. However, even though social media is a very effective technique for promoting articles, there is no established association between social media shares and improved search ranks. On the other hand, link building requires time and work but can result in increased organic traffic over time. Indeed, backlinks from authoritative sources continue to be a significant component in determining a website's ranking in search engines. According to a recent study conducted by Backlinko, the number of domains connecting to a page correlates with rankings more than any other element. How to avoid it? The quality of backlinks is critical for search engine performance. If you can get backlinks from sites with high domain authority, your organic results can improve within days. On the other side, if you get links from questionable neighborhoods or engage in black hat techniques, your site may be penalized into oblivion by Google. As a result, develop authority in your field by writing longer articles and implementing a strong outreach campaign that leverages the correct tools to interact with the industry's top influencers. 2. Nor having a mobile-friendly website. SEO is significantly more than refining your website's content or acquiring authoritative backlinks. It's also about enhancing the website's quality, particularly its performance on mobile devices. According to Google's mobile Playbook, 57% of consumers will not suggest a company that has an effective mobile website. As a result, if your website is not optimized for mobile devices, you are likely to lose significant visitors, leads, and conversions. Utilize one of the following free tools to determine your website's mobile friendliness. GT Metrics, Google's Mobile Friendly Test, Bing's Mobile Friendly Test. Google's Mobile Friendly Test will assess whether your website complies with Google's Mobile Friendly standard. The Marketing Grader and GT Metrics tools from HubSpot provide additional insight into what you can do to improve your website's mobile friendliness. 3. Keyword stuffing. If you've ever written content for a website, you're probably aware of the critical nature of keyword usage for SEO. Using the right keywords can assist attract the right audience to your website, and properly optimizing their use can help attract attention of search engines. However, do you realize what will not assist you? Stuffing keywords. Stuffing keywords looks like this. By stuffing a keyword into your article as many times as possible, you make one thing abundantly clear to both readers and search engines. Your content is useless. You don't have anything valuable to say, so you're relying on keywords to drive traffic to your site in the belief that just getting them there would be enough to convert them. However, search engines are no longer going to fall for this trick. Instead of obtaining results through keyword stuffing, you'll end up with a keyword-stuffed page with very few visitors and a low Google rating. 4. Not optimizing your internal links. SEOs frequently make the mistake of overlooking internal link structure. While internal links are not as influential as external links, they can nevertheless influence rankings and alter crawling patterns. By including the appropriate internal links, you ensure that Google knows the relevancy of pages, their relationship to one another, and their value. As a result, you must constantly assess and enhance your internal connection approach. Consider your website as a pyramid with the most critical content at the top. Typically, this content is referred to as the cornerstone content. Thus, the optimal internal linking approach would be to have numerous links pointing to cornerstone content from closely related pages within the pyramid, which would then send a significant amount of link juice to those pages. 5. Not publishing adequate long-form content. Have you ever come across a resource that exhaustively covered the elements of a particular subject? That is to say, you have just ingested long-form content. Long-form guides or articles often exceed 2,000 words and require a significant amount of labor. However, they provide significant value to readers, tend to rank better in search engine results pages, and demonstrate your authority on a particular subject. As a result, the top 10 positions on Google's search engine results pages are dominated by long-form articles as illustrated in the graph by SERPQ. The only way around this is to increase the amount of long-form content produced. While long-form content is typically associated with journalism, marketers, And bloggers can also benefit from long-form content to increase traffic and user engagement. Conclusion: avoid these 5 SEO mistakes, and you should see a significant increase in organic traffic over the next few weeks. Thanks for watching.